Welcome to this tutorial. I want to show you how to create and track split tests inside of ClickFunnels. Now, what are split tests? Split tests are where you create more than one page. So technically you create 2 pages and you want to test it out. You want to test out whether, which one converts the best. So 2 landing pages or 2 sales pages or, any type of opt-in page where you need some data. Really, really powerful. Now, how do you do it in ClickFunnels? Well, I'm going to be diving into the tutorial and showing you that today. ClickFunnels is one of my favorite tools. I have grown an incredibly successful business because of the tools that I use, and ClickFunnels is one of those tools. I just absolutely love it. Now, this video that you're watching right now is part of a whole series for how to create sales systems and sales funnels inside of ClickFunnels. So we're going to be linking out to the other videos below this one. So make sure that you check out the full length video where I'm going to be walking you through how to build funnels, etc. Not only that, if you watch this and you don't have a ClickFunnels account, I have created an incredible bonus for you worth $997. So check out the link below this video for how to access that bonus. So if you want to see more tutorials like this, make sure that you subscribe to this channel and turn on your bell, because we publish 3 times a week and I create in-depth tutorials such as the one that you are seeing right now. So do me a favor, as I'm really working hard on growing this channel, subscribe to this channel, give it a thumbs up and turn on your bell so that YouTube will push this video to other people to see. So let's dive into the tutorial. Now, split tests are really, really important because oftentimes you can create a different variation of, say, the headline or the hook, the colors even, the button, the image. If you have a video on there, it could be a different video that you want to test. What ClickFunnels will do for you is that it will create a variation and pop it over here. So let's have a go at doing that. So to do that, you come to the first step where you want to do the split test, and you click over here to create variation. So you have 2 options: create duplicate page from squeeze page, which is that first page over here, or create from template. We want to click this first one over here. So now it started to do it, right? So this is it. So what you want to do once it has created this is that you want to go ahead and open this second page, because right now it's identical to the first one. So you want to make some changes. So how to launch your digital products sales funnel in just 10 minutes or less. So I could change this to 24 hours from now. Launch your digital product sales funnel. For example, right? You could change something, or I could change this image, or I could change the colors, change the button, make some variations. Once I have done that, I'm going to hit save. Then I'm going to come out of this page over here, because now I should have 2 pages in the first funnel, right? So 2 pages over here. So what ClickFunnels does is that it will send 50% of your traffic to this page here and another 50% of the traffic to this page here. But in order to do that, you need to click over here to start split test. So it says your split test isn't running just yet. Once you're happy with the changes in the variation, click the button below and we will start sending traffic to both of these pages. And then whichever one has won, at the end of the day, you click on there and you declare as winner, right? Now, how do you know? You come over here to your stats over here, and it shows you what your stats are, right? It shows you how many people have visited each page, what the opt-ins were, how much money you have made in this specific funnel. It gives you all the statistics that you need. So this is where you find out all of the information. But let's go back over to steps over here. So if for example, if I have run this test for a good 24 to 48 hours and I declared this one as the winner, I simply hover over here. So I simply hover over here to select this one, and that would be the page that I would run all of my traffic to. Thank you so much for catching that tutorial. Like I said, ClickFunnels is one of my favorite tools. Once again, if you don't already have a ClickFunnels account, make sure you grab my link right below this video and get started for free for 14 days. And you get access to bonuses from me worth $997. So make sure you do. Take a look at what those bonuses look like. So I want to walk you through how to get your free bonuses with me if you sign up to ClickFunnels using my link. Complete disclosure, I absolutely love ClickFunnels. Like I've been saying, it's helped me massively with my business. And so I have some amazing bonuses, 3 bonuses actually. Bonus number 1, bonus number 2, and bonus number 3 for anybody who signs up to ClickFunnels using my link. Now,
Now, first of all, how do you get to this page? You get to this page by going to www.pamobasa.com/ClickFunnels bonus. Okay, that's how you arrive at this page, and I will be linking out, posting the link to that, to this page right under the video. But I just want to walk you through the bonus of what happens. Now, you can get started with ClickFunnels with a 14-day free trial. So that means that over the course of 14 days, you could potentially have your funnels built and even start making money depending on how far you have gone with creating your funnels, and start making money before you even begin to pay for ClickFunnels. So the first bonus that I'm going to be giving you is how to fill your funnel organically. So I give you my complete Facebook organic marketing course. It's called the Facebook Marketing Hacks Intensive, and it's one of the best things that we have created, that a lot of people buy from us, that really teaches you how to use Facebook the free way, right? So it's a highly sought after course, and I show you step by step how to use Facebook as a marketing machine for free, using little known methods that you can use to grow any business without spending any money on Facebook ads. So that is the first bonus. The second bonus is my high converting done for you social media marketing templates. For this, we give you a total of just over 365 posts that you can use for your business. These winning templates are incredibly high converting and have helped us to generate 6 figures organically. So that means without paying for any ads. And you can customize this to use for absolutely any business. And on the third bonus is that I'm going to be giving you access to my highest converting lead generation funnel, right? So this is something that you can easily swipe and start using inside of your ClickFunnels account straight away. So once you get access to this funnel, you get access to social media posts, and you get access to training for how to use Facebook. This is pretty much the trifecta for how to grow your business for free. And you get all of this as a bonus just for using my link. Now, how do you use my link? What you do is you click here, this massive button that says click here to claim your free bonus. And once you click here, it'll take you to open your account on ClickFunnels, which I'll be showing you how to do in a moment. And then, of course, right at the bottom, we have some instructions. So you sign up to my ClickFunnels account, or rather trial, using the button above. And then after you have done that, you wait 14 days and you send an email. You send a copy of your ClickFunnels receipt, right, in an email to me over here at hello@pamobasa.com with the subject, send me ClickFunnels bonuses, please. And my team will get this sent off to you. So once we've checked that everything is valid, we will send you all of the bonuses. So all of the instructions are on this page, as well as all of the amazing bonuses that you will be getting from us. These bonuses are amazing. These are the very things that have helped me to grow my business, and I'm so excited to be able to offer you these bonuses. So the link for this will be below this video, and so make sure you get access to ClickFunnels using my link by clicking on this yellow button.
Brilliant. So you know what to do. Grab the link for the bonuses below this video. Now, before we wrap, I want you to check out this video where I share the full video for how to build funnels inside of ClickFunnels. You get to see how I do it and why it's successful. Make sure you check it out right now, and I'll see you in my next video.